This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lori Scarnecchia. Amazing 2-bedroom 2-bath with 1-car garage single-family home inside of Leisure Ville 55 community. Interior features a open floor plan with room for comfort foyer, living room, dining room, and large family room or great room. Home is completely updated, new kitchen with stainless appliances, new paint, enjoy new vinyl floors. New window treatments, baths with new vanities, enjoy spacious patio in front and backyard. Single car garage with added depth. Leisure Ville features several amenities including 3 pools, 1 gym, and a 18-hole par 3 golf course. Within 10 minutes to beach, I-95, shopping centers, restaurants, and much more. We'll consider seasonal rental at $4,500 monthly with 4-month minimum. For more information, review the details below or contact Lori Scarnecchia at 561-289-2066.